Today we're looking at the fricative consonant r, the r, as in the word river. This time it's the tip of the tongue that curls back very slightly at the top of the mouth, and once again we've got that channel of breath that comes right down the centre of the tongue, and there it's squeezing past the tip and the hard palate, and that squeezing produces the sound r. It's a voiced sound and it's a continuous sound, so we don't say r, we say r, and it goes on. Let's try the word river.
Can I try the sound?
Yes, try the sound first.
So I remember when I was your student, you gave me a wonderful exercise, starting with the z and then lifting the tongue gradually.
Yes.
That really helped me. Can I try that?
Yes, please do.
Z.
Yes. Let's have the Z first. We'll have a z, and as we pull the tongue tip back and up, we just feel the back of the tongue rises a little in the mouth. So we get z, do it like that so we hear the sound. That's it. Now say river.
River.
Ran.
Run.
Grow.
Grow.
Rain.
Rain.
Now in the middle of the word we'll have a word like narrow, and you'll feel the tip going up and curling back for the R. Narrow. Good.
I could feel the tip.
Yes. Borrow. Harrow. Excellent. Let's try some phrases. It's either right or wrong.
It's either right or wrong.
Rock and roll. Just rest and relax. And that's a very good thing for you to do. Just rest and relax. After you've done all your exercises, then you let go.
Okay.
A little tongue twister. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run.
Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run.
Right. Now, you can lose that T at the end of rabbit if you like. You're saying run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. If you want to be a little bit lazy, you can say run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. And that would be quite correct.
Oh, shall I try?
Yes, please.
Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run.
Which is easier for you?
For me, the pronouncing T is easier because I'm used to it. I think it's a matter of habit, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And your tongue knows it's got to go straight up and tap for that T.
Yes.
Do it once again. Can you do it as a whisper this time? Run, rabbit, run. 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 That's hard. Now, as soon as you've done that, do it with voice.
Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run.
And it should be much easier once you've worked the muscles and you've done it as a whisper. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Then you've got the power to vocalize it, and it should be much, much easier. Try whispering again. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Voice.
Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run.
See? And you've given me far much more energy than you did the first time.
Yes, I think it's a wonderful exercise, the whisper.
And you can do that with anything that you're practicing. Sentences, single words, verses, anything at all. It just helps. It helps the articulation beautifully.
And I just wanted to stress that this sound is produced with the tongue, because what I've noticed, particularly with the Japanese students, and they say one rabbit, one.
Yes.
They try to produce the sound using the lips, one instead of run, and it's W instead of then, isn't it?
That's exactly what they're doing. They don't have an R. So the nearest thing they can do is to put a W in.
Yes.
And of course it sounds not really.
No, it doesn't sound correctly.
It doesn't, no.
Yes.
One rabbit, one. Mind you, do get... certain people in England have what they call a very lazy R. And they run. That's almost like a double.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Because it's the tongue that's so lazy, it can't be bothered to go up and curl back, which is quite hard. So they flop the tongue, and all they can do is use the lips. One rabbit, one rabbit, one.
And obviously in Russian we have a completely different r
yes.
sound. And I remember when I was a student, I was struggling to not vibrate your tongue, and then you told me that I have to curl my tongue and keep it still.
Yes.
And that's the key for people who come from Russia and who have that vibrating
yes.
sound.
And quite a few of the Mediterranean countries have that rapid R, 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 r. And it's very simple to correct. You just keep the tongue still and make the sound, and then move the tongue after. That's all you do.
It's much lazier than the Russian or
Yes.
sound.
Oh, much lazier, much easier. Right, that's our R sound explained.
Well, at this point, we recommend that you take our books and apps and practice the sound in words, phrases, sentences, and verses. And we see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.